Hey everyone! Welcome back to Jesmin Paper Crafts. I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful red and light green paper Wallmate that will instantly brighten up your room. Whether you want to add a pop of color to your living room, bedroom, or office, this simple DIY project is a great way to personalize your space. For this project, you'll need red and light green paper, scissors, a pencil, a ruler, and some glue or double-sided tape. You can use regular craft paper, or if you want a bit of texture, go for something like cardstock. Let's start by cutting out the base shapes. First, we'll take the red paper and cut out a few squares, about 5 by 5 inches each. These will form the main parts of the design. Then, take the light green paper and cut out smaller shapes, maybe circles or leaf-like patterns about 2 inches in diameter. You can get creative with your shapes, but keeping it simple will make the Wallmate elegant. Now, it's time to put it all together. Start by arranging your folded red pieces into a pattern on your wall, such as a flower or starburst shape. Then, use the light green shapes as accents. Place them around or inside. You've made a stunning red and light green paper Wallmate that will brighten up any room. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future paper craft tutorials. Thanks for watching Jesmin Paper Crafts, and I'll see you in the next video.